Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. I'm Sophie, and today we're going to be going through how to join two lists together using the extend method. I really strongly encourage you to code along with me, as this is by far the best way to learn. So without further ado, let's get into it. We're going to start by creating two lists, and these are the lists that we want to join together. So list one is going to be a few items. So we're going to have bread in there, we're going to have butter, and a controversial one, we're going to add Marmite. Then our second list, let's say we've written a shopping list, and this is our shopping list, this first one, and we just missed a few items out, and so we want to add more items in there. Let's add some jam, because not everyone likes Marmite. We'll add some honey, and we'll add some juice. Okay, so let's create our lists. So we're going to try the same as we did last time by appending onto list one dot append list 2. Let's run that and then view list 1. And as you can see here, it's input or appended list 2 as a single element, and so it's nested list 2 within list 1. And this means that we actually have to double index, which is something I'll go into properly in another video. But essentially it means that we can't just access the item jam on its own very easily without having to go into this list and then into the second list. Same goes for honey, and same goes for juice. And this is where the method extend comes from. So we'll give this a go. In fact, let's just recreate list 1 and list 2 again so that they're reset, because we've permanently changed list 1 here now. So we want to go back to where it was. So let's do list 1 dot extend, and this is what we want to extend with. So this is kind of easy to remember. You have the first list, your original one, extend, and then the second one is the list that you're trying to add onto it. Let's run this, and then let's view list 1. And here we go, we have one list with every item as a single element. We have no nested lists, and this is just exactly what we wanted for a shopping list. We don't want a list of lists in our shopping list, because that just complicates things. I'm going to show you one other way that we can actually extend a list without having to call any list methods. And to do that, we're first going to copy over list 1 and list 2 again. And actually, this is as simple as we're going to just create a new list so that we're not writing over our original. It's literally as simple as list 1 plus list 2. List 2. Then let's view list 3. And it gives us exactly the same result. So this is just one other way of doing an extended list. We're going to go through just one more example. We're going to do a mixture. In fact, we'll do 2 more examples. We'll go through combining integer lists. And then after this, we'll go through combining a mix of lists. So list 1 equals 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. So we'll have an odd number list. List 2 will give 2, 4, 6, 8. Well done if you guessed that's where I was going. And then from this, we will try doing list 1 dot, we won't do append, we're doing extend list 2. So we can run that, and then let's preview list. Oh, I previewed the wrong one. Let's preview list 1. And there we go, we have 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 2, 4, 6, 8. Perfect. And let's try out doing list 1 plus list 2. And then we'll print list 3 from this. Oh. And we're actually, I'm just going to keep list 1 as it is here. So actually we'll end up with a mega long list. We'll have this one plus list 2 up here. Let's run that. And there we go, it does exactly the same thing. So when you're doing the add list, don't be worried that it's going to add the elements in here. We have another function for actually doing that. And this is completely fine for just combining 2 lists together. Now let's try combining 2, in fact, let's go for 3 mixed lists. List 1, we're going to, let's go back to our shopping list again. We'll have some toiletries in this one actually. We'll have list 1 being toothpaste, toothbrush, and shampoo. List 2, we're going to set to, let's have a longer one. Washing up liquid. Oh, that might be annoying. I've done a lower capital W. We're not gonna shake things up that much. Then what else can we add here? We can add some dishwasher tablets, a couple of items, and then list 3, we're going to add some flour, some baking soda, and some sugar. Making a little cake here, a bit of a dry one, no liquid, but anyway, we'll give that a go. So let's create those 3 lists, and we're going to create list 4, which is a combination of list 1, list 2, and list 3. Let's see what list 4 looks like. And this is everything that we listed up here, which is really great. We've got our subcategories here, so we can create individual categories of lists. So our toiletries, our cleaning stuff, and our baking stuff. And this can just combine it all in one list. What if I wanted to use the extend method for 3 lists? Let's just try it out and see what happens. We'll say list 1, we'll start with, extend list 2, and let's just guess that you can do it by putting a comma. Let's see what this gets us. Okay, here we go. This tells us the answer. So we have a type error here. Extend only takes exactly 1 argument, and we gave 2. So in case you don't know, arguments are what you put into these methods. So they're what comes in the brackets. And extend has certain limitations of what you can put into it, and one of those is that you can only put 1 argument into it. And we try to put 2 because we put in list 2 and list 3. And so it's not happy about that, and it's not going to do it for us. So if you want to combine more than 2 lists, then go for this method here. Okay, I think I'm gonna leave it there for now, and we'll go into some more Python list methods in the next video. As usual, I'll link the source code in the description down below. And if you have any confusions or questions, then just comment down below and I will be happy to answer them and explain further. Other than that, thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.